In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy in Vercel. Deploying your web projects with Vercel is not only straightforward, but also incredibly efficient, allowing you to bring your ideas to life without the fuss. So let's navigate through this process step by step. First up, you'll need to sign in to Vercel, which brings you to your main dashboard. Right here is where all the magic begins. Once you're in, you should see an option to create a new project. This is sometimes labeled as New Project or Start Deploying. Click on that option and you'll be directed to a page where you can import your repository. At this point, you'll select where your project code is hosted. Vercel supports repositories from major platforms like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure DevOps. Simply choose your platform and follow the prompts to authorize Vercel access to your repo. This step is crucial as it allows Vercel to seamlessly integrate and manage your project's deployment. Once you've authorized access, Vercel's smart system springs into action, automatically detecting the framework your project uses. This could be something like next.js or React, among many others. While Vercel is quite intuitive, there might be times when you want to tweak a few settings to better suit your project's needs. Whether it's adjusting the build command, setting up environment variables, or specifying the root directory, make sure everything is configured just the way you want it. Now comes the exciting part. With everything in place, it's time to click Deploy. As you do this, Vercel takes over and launches your site. What's impressive here is the speed at which it operates. Almost instantaneously, you'll be provided with a live preview URL. This allows you to see your project online as it would appear to your users. One of the standout features of deploying with Vercel is how it handles updates. Every future commit you push to your connected branches will trigger an automatic deployment. This means any changes you make are instantly reflected on your live site. Additionally, for those working in team environments, Vercel creates preview URLs for pull requests. This functionality ensures that your team can review changes in context before they go live. And finally, if you're looking to use a custom domain for your project, Vercel makes it a breeze. Head over to your project settings and assign the desired custom domain. The best part? Vercel takes care of SSL provisioning automatically, ensuring your site is secure from the get-go. Deploying with Vercel is designed to be a seamless experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most: building great projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand how to deploy in Vercel. Feel free to explore more on your dashboard and keep building.